Description: L'ANZA Keratin Healing Oil Bounce Up Hairspray, rich in keratin protein, Abyssinian flower oil and acai fruit oil, gives your hair ultra-long lasting hold that is fast-drying, flake-free and humidity and frizz-resistant. Benefits: preserves the hair color and increases its longevity, with maximum color protection and vital nutrients boost. Suggested use: after shampooing with L'ANZA Healing Shampoo, apply the conditioner generously, then rinse thoroughly. L'ANZA's unique formula. Formulated with essential nutrients, this range of L'ANZA premium products is designed to free your hair from radical damage, prevent future split ends, and keep hair and scalp feeling and looking beautiful every day. Heal and repair bleach damage. Whether you're coloring your hair yourself or using the services of a professional, your hair might look fried and frizzy due to the layers of chemicals that lock in moisture and dehydrate your hair. This miracle haircare range from L'ANZA will reinforce your hair and help nourish it from roots to ends. Say goodbye to frizzy, dull, and dehydrated hair, now and forever. Get your luster back. Get your brilliant shine and smoothness back with the L'ANZA Healing ColorCare line. Thanks to the wild natural nourishment, your hair will look silky smooth, full of color and life. Top reviews from the United States. Never change, discontinue, it's perfect. I loved the trauma treatment and decided to try the conditioner. Just as awesome as the treatment. I use it in the shower and use a very small amount as a leave-in. My hair is fried from living in the sun. Highlights: my hair soaks it up and never gets greasy. Keeps my curls from frizzing. Defies humidity. 5.